नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
He is the person, Mr. Sharad from head office, who had fought our Kargil war. And so passionate he is here. He has got a train at 9. He has to catch the train from Kankanadi railway station. But that doesn't stop him from coming here to hoist the national flag, to salute the national flag. That is the commitment of our military people. Yes, sir.
I was, I can say, fortunate enough to be a part of the Operation Vijay Star. I was in the Navy and we were deployed with the 26th Air Defence Artillery of the Indian Army on the western coast of the Kutch border. We were around 45 kilometers of striking distance of Karachi. So one button and Karachi would have been wiped off the map. So we were in that preparedness. So 45 days we were on the border, northwest border. And I can only say I am just lucky to be a part of that. And in spite of being in a low medical category, I am also a shark survivor. My hand was bitten by a shark while in the Navy. I was swimming in the sea, the shark attacked me and somehow I survived that also. And I completed my service also with 4 medals on my chest. And after that I joined the Navy. After that I joined the bank in 2009 and presently I am in HROD, HR Wing. Thank you everyone. Happy Independence Day to all.
Swargadapi Ghariyasi. Mother and motherland are holier than the holy heaven itself. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೇಶದ 75ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ हार्दिक शुभाशयಗಳು. आप सभी को देश की आज़ादी की अमृत महोत्सव की शुभकामनाएं. I wish each one of you a very happy 75th Independence Day. As we all are aware of, this day, 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British regime. Millions and millions of our forefathers fought for the independence of our country under the leadership of father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and millions. And how we can forget our own Ullalada Rani Abbakka, Kitturu Rani Chennamma, Belawadi Mallava, Vanage Obbava. They sacrificed their lives, they sacrificed their Tanu, Man and Dhan for securing independence for us. And this day, we remember their sacrifices, ಅವರ ಬಲಿದಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ದಿನ. ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಪಡೆಗಳು, ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ
ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸುವ ಪುಣ್ಯ ದಿನ. We remember there was a time when the entire world was looking to India for its leadership, for its Vedic knowledge and for its guidance. And today again, the entire world is looking to India for its guidance and for its leadership. You remember there were the times when our country was standing before the other countries with begging bowl during the distress and difficult times. And today when the entire world is reeling into the COVID pandemic, it is my country which brought out the vaccines and provided to the entire world. Udara Charitanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We showed the entire world belongs to us. We showed the world what is care and love. Under the leadership of a respected Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji, the country is progressing towards to be the most economic superpower, the military power and guiding the entire world. हमारा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश का अभिवृद्धि के लिए बहुत सारा स्कीम चलाए हैं. And we the bankers, citizens first and the bankers next. हमारा फर्ज बनता है, हमारा धर्म बनता है that we have to ensure that all these schemes starting from Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, it is JDY, that is a combination of Aadhaar, Jan Dhan Yojana and mobile, that is called the JAM Trinity, be it the Prime Minister JJBY scheme or the SBY, APY, it is Sukanya Samriddhi, Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana, Mudra, Stand Up India, Skill India, Digital India, Prime Minister Swanidhi, Atmanirbhar Bharat and the Prime Minister Kisan Samman Nidhi. Is हमारा फर्ज बनता है being the bankers, it is our duty, it is our duty to reach these programs to the unreached, to those my sisters and brothers to whom these programs should reach. We should also have the ease of doing business, means the scale of index for doing the business should grow. हमारा फर्ज बनता है all these जन कल्याण योजनास should reach my brothers and sisters so that when they grow, the country will also grow. मेरा हर काम सिर्फ देश के हित में. Today, Honorable Prime Minister has given a call that 14th August should be remembered as the day to remember the partition miseries, to know the difficulties with which our forefathers fought and brought freedom, but then the miseries which they passed through during the partition days. And today, from the annals of the Red Fort, he has given a call, nation first, always first. मेरा हर काम सिर्फ देश के हित में. We in Canara Bank also, we always take pride to serve the nation. Our respected founder had founded the Canara Bank with the ideals of upliftment of our country from the economic, from the clutches of the British Empire. That was the time when the British ambassador was going on the street and our people were running behind him, asking for some, begging for some alms, for some favors. He thought only when the country is economically empowered, our country can progress. And he started Canara Bank on 1st of July 1906. And today, under the leadership of our most respected MD and CEO, L.V. Prabhakar ji, our bank is the third largest public sector bank with a business mix of 17.06 crores. With a profit of 1010 crores for the March 21 or 1177 crores for the June 21, the bank is serving the country with pride. We strong 80,000 Canara Bank men and women serve our country with dedication, with devotion and to determination. हमारा MD साहब का एक चाहत है to make our bank as the best bank for the customers to deal and for the staff best bank to work for. And हमारा फर्ज बनता है we should join hands with him to make the bank for the customer best bank to deal and for the staff members best bank to work. When we are today celebrating the 75th Amritotsav of our Azadi, 2047 is beckoning us. by time which our country should be the Samriddh, Shashakt, Shantipurn Bharat, the Bharat which was during the Vedic period, wishing for the entire world, Sarve Janaha Sukhinaha Bhavantu, the entire world be prosperous. Atra Janma Sahasranam Sahasraiva Uttamaha, Kadachit Labhite Janmo Manushya Punya Rupahat. After hundreds and hundreds of Janmas, after Sanchayana of Punyas, one will be blessed to have Janma in this Indian Bhumi. That incredible India, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan Mera.
Under Vidya Jyoti scheme to the beneficiaries. I would request Ms. Bhagyashri. Bhagyashri, she's there. Scheme is to provide scholarship to girl child under Vidya Jyoti scheme. R. Nisha. Again, as part of a corporate social responsibility, we would now like to request Pratnya Counseling Center. Anybody representing Pratnya Counseling Center to kindly come forward. Hearty congratulations. Army for 19 years and extended to the exemplary service in the various military operations. One, I would request all to kindly, after 18 years of services in Army, along with the service to nation, we develop the skills in various sports activities and one.
So we deem it our proud privilege and pleasure to felicitate Sri Narendra N. Naik ji for the contribution he has made to the field of education as well as the field of music. A great son of this soil. Yes.
Our Prime Minister today said, nation first, everything next. That starts in the miniature form, institution first, everything next. And I am very happy, even though it's a Sunday, even though it's not a working day, so many of you are present here. That shows that you have a real love and affection and dedication towards the institution Canara Bank. So I am a teacher, the entire institution, I don't say we are big, but whatever we are enjoying what we are doing. We are passionately working. Otherwise we can't be consistent in so many years. Because there is no help from the government, there is no absolutely not even a 1% help from the government for private unaided institutions. We have got to mobilize all the resources and thanks to the banks like Canara Bank. I'll tell you, you require real clapping. You, not me. The bank requires real clapping. The secret of the institution expert we have come up because of advances availed from the banks, starting from Canara Bank. And before that, when I was, people say that we have started with nothing, but we have started with the scratch, means below the zero level. That is called scratch. When you do a scratch, the level will be much lower than the ground level, you see. I did my engineering with the education loan from Syndicate Bank, 12,000 loan from Syndicate Bank, 1982 to 1986. I did my engineering. India will definitely become superpower in the years to come. This is what told by our past president, the great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Not just telling that India will become superpower, anybody can tell anything, but they have done a lot of work in that direction. So that becomes authentic. If we do a lot of work and then we say something, then it carries meaning. And he has said that India will become superpower, and youth power is India's pride, and they will do something who will navigate our country to become the superpower. So to support that, he travelled throughout India, different corners of our country, to encourage the students. You must be knowing that. He was always with the students. He preferred to be with the students than with anybody else. And he said, dream big and work hard to cherish your dreams. But what is to be added with all these great personalities who said that India will become superpower is, we have got all the qualities, we work passionately, everything is true. What we lack is self-discipline. We still have the tendency to go in the one way if the traffic police is not there. Is it true? Everyone, including me, we have got lack of self-discipline. The question is to what percentage? And if we have got self-discipline, then definitely we will become the superpower with the lots of dignity, acceptable superpower. This is very important. Yogesh Acharya also said that our bank is the third largest public sector bank. See, quality wise, your bank is the best bank. I have seen, not just to praise you. Because when we were small, we were associated with the Canara Bank in different ways. My father took his last breath in Canara Bank only. He was not an employee of Canara Bank. He was a customer of Canara Bank, and he was taking the token, and he was seated in the waiting area. When his token number was called, he was not there. Like, he could not sense that. So, not only that, we started from the scratch, I said, 1982 to 86, that loan, I finished within 1 year. 87, I finished that loan. So that is also very important. Taking education loan is one part. Repaying it before time is very important. It's not on time. Before time the people have to pay because they will be capable of paying that. So it must encourage others to take the loan, and even it must encourage the banks to give a lot of loans in the education sector.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय खतरे में पड़ी आज़ादी। जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दिवाली वो खेल रहे थे होली। जब हम बैठे थे घरों में वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
ವಿಶಾಲ ಭಾರತ ಭವ್ಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ಭಾರತ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನೆಲೆಯು ಭಾರತ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದಿ ಗತದಿ ಬರದಿ ಮೆರದಿಯ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ವಿಶಾಲ ಭಾರತ ಭವ್ಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ಭಾರತ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನೆಲೆಯು ಭಾರತ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದಿ ಗತದಿ ಬರದಿ ಮೆರದಿಯ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ಏತೇಳಿ ವೀರ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳೇ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿಕಹಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮೊಳಗಿಸಿ ನಾಡಿಗಾಗಿ ಏಳ್ಗೆಯಾಗಲಿ. ಅವಳ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆರೆಯಲಿ. ಅವಳ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆರೆಯಲಿ. ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜೈ ಭಾರತ. ವಿಶಾಲ ಭಾರತ ಭವ್ಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ಭಾರತ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನೆಲೆಯು ಭಾರತ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯದಿ ಗತದಿ ಬರದಿ ಮೆರದಿಯ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ.